Hello there, and welcome to the first episode of Meme Reads. Today I will be reading Mandor Hand Hook Car Door, a troll pasta. Without further ado, let's begin. Man and girl go out to drive under moonlight. They stop on a side of road. He turn to his girl and say, "Baby, I love you very much."
"What is it, honey?"
Our car is broken down. I think the engine is broken. I'll walk and get some more fuel.
"Okay. I'll stay here and look after our stereo. There have been news reports of steers being stolen."
Good idea. Keep the doors locked no matter what. I love you, sweaty. So the guy left to get fuel for the car. After 2 hours, the girls say,
"It's my baby. He was supposed to be back by now."
The girl hear a scratching sound and a voice say,
"Let me in."
The girl doesn't do it, and then after a while she goes to sleep. The next morning, she wakes up and finds her boyfriend still not there. She gets out to check and Mandor hand hook car door. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the first meme reads. Feel free to post what you want me to read in the future, if you have any meme posts or copy pastas. Have a good one, everybody.